Hi guys, today I am gonna show you the summer waves pool.
Daddy, I thought
Let's see.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel again. Today we got a new pool because our old pool had a hole. So we're gonna do a setup of our new pool. We already have the bottom layer done and now we're gonna do our real pool. So let's get to it.
We have the summer wave,
A light frame pool.
so it's 14 feet, 14 by 42 inch,
4.47 milliliters.
and it comes with
The strongest ultra strong frame tube, durable 3-ply tough material, a stylish Monica print. We have the pool, the filter pump,
so it comes with
the
a
frame pool, 2-in-1 filter pump, something filter,
It's a filter
and a ladder.
and a ladder
And a pool
also a
cover.
pool cover. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. So comes
Soon.
with pump, filter, ladder, and a pool cover.
Soon, this will be us right here.
So that is
The pool.
gonna be
This
like
will be
that.
us.
So we used to have this Intex pool, which is the same 14 by 42. So that one, and that comes with leather pump, pool frame, pool liner, debris cover,
Ground cloth, indestructible DVD.
So the other one doesn't have
A DVD.
a DVD.
But it has everything like here.
So this one Intex is a little bit expensive compared to the
Summer Wave.
So that's the Summer Wave. So it comes with leather, that 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one comes with ground
One, two,
cloth, which
three,
is
four,
the
five.
Summer Wave. They don't have also instructional DVD, and the Intex
This one has 7. This one has 4.
pool liner, which that one doesn't have. This one has. There's cover both. So that's about it. So they're the same.
They're the same
they're the
thing,
same.
but different
Look
company.
at the box.
This one's a bit taller than this one.
No, they're the same. So we'll see.
Let's see how it looks like when it's
So
all
this
done.
Intex is, we had
Before
that for 2 to 3 years, I think. 3 years, yes.
that was in the video you
So
saw.
that one, yeah, we have the video with that if you wanna go look.
It's way back in the day.
And now we have the Summer Wave, so we're gonna try the Summer Wave.
Let's
So
see
that's
how
the
it is when it's
difference.
all done.
So alright, let's do a setup, guys.
Let's see how it is when it's all done.
Video call lang nila. Arrange ko siya.
Sige. So that's the pump. It's bigger pump compared to
We were traveling mountains, just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am. want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Finally done. Medyo,
No, we still need
it's
to
a
do
little bit hard, but we got it. Yeah.
we need the filter.
So there is also a letter. So that's it, guys. Yan. So pretty much big. So the letter is over there. Lalong, no? Wrinkled, Mia. Wrinkled. There's over there on the side. That one hung out. And this is the cover. Uh-oh. So yeah. No. It's the cover. Okay, so that's the water at last night. I turned it on at 7 and I turned off at 9. So 7, 8, 9. So 2 hours. That's the water level. And now it's 9:30 a.m. And that's the water level. And let's see how many hours I put water. So that's the water level right now as of 9:30 a.m. See the letter? I just started right now. And the filter with the summer wave, it's connected here. See, it's connected. MTEX is not connected, and they're actually the same kind of filter that you use. So I have extra, so I can still use that. So this is the filter. So it comes with the new filter. I think I like this compared to MTEX. It's more easy to this one than the MTEX, I think. But they're not really much lots of difference. The only thing is that MTEX has underground cloth, but this one no. And I told my mom that this one MTEX is more thicker compared with this, but she says no, they're the same. And compare with the metal, the same. So yeah, I mean, it feels like it's the same size and all that, and it's this one summer wave is more cheaper compared to MTEX. Not really much difference, I guess. MTEX has a leather pump cover. The only thing that they don't have is the underground cloth. So yeah, that's the water level now, and we'll check it later, guys. Now Okay, we'll check the level now. We're in like almost on the second step ladder. It's 10:30. So yeah, I started at 9:30 in the morning, and then now an hour after, we're like almost on our second ladder, step ladder. Alright, we'll check again an hour after. Alright guys, we'll check again. So it's 11:30. See that ladder? We are about first step, second step. So we are in what's that? The second step. Earlier it was like almost now pass on the second step. Let's see. Not sure if you could see it, but we're at that. Almost. So we started at 9:30, 10:30. So this is 2 hours now. So 2 hours last night, 2 hours today. It's 4 hours now filling up this pool. So maybe another 2 hours. We'll see. Okay. Bye for now. We'll be back again. Alright guys, so we are going to check. It's already 12:30. I started at 9:30, so 10:30, 11:30, 12:30. So I have 3 hours now, and then 2 hours last night. Total of 5 hours, or maybe half. So that's how deep is. There's 3 steps, and I am almost on the 4th step of the ladder. And I am gonna stop now, filling up this swimming pool. So yeah, not bad. So they are ready for later. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Summer Waves pool.